Hi everyone, I'm Carrie. I'm the elder sister to Dr. E. I'm currently the CEO of E-Clinic Group of Companies. With my 18 years of experience in the corporate and legal sectors, I now manage E-Clinic Group together alongside with my sister. And my passion is to bring beauty and confidence to women and men in the region.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. E. I'm founder of E-Clinic, and this is my sister, Carrie E. With my 15 years of experience in aesthetic and medical field, I am now a certified trainer for Elance, and I also got a Sinclair Scholarship for Harvard Medical University. And my passion is to let everyone feel good and be confident in their own skin. That was like about a few years ago when she was in Singapore. At that time, E-Clinic started to grow, and that was the right time that Carrie, she wanted to come back to Malaysia. So I think she's very good in management, in business, in strategy. So I think it is the right time for her to come back and to help me to grow my business.
To be honest, I get this a lot. They always say that Karen is very lucky to have an elder sister like me who went all out to have her best interests and to help her take care of the entire business side of the clinics. Honestly, the secret sauce is really not about me. The real secret is really about her. She has this strength, right? She's a very good listener and she's a great partner. No matter how good am I or if I'm so skillful in management or whatever, but if she refuses to listen, we won't be where we are today. She will always use her sons. You won't know if you have an argument in work and just right after working hours and in 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I'll receive a call from her sons, right? And they will say, "Hey mama, we want to go to the dessert shops, you know." And I would be like, "How do you know I'm in office?" "Yeah, of course we know you're in the office. Can you please just come by?" So yeah, she'll always use her sons. Yeah, and that's it. We make it up just like that. Yeah.
I think beside that, tolerance and accepting each other's shortness, is very important. We just need to put down the anger, just need to say sorry to each other and then continue with life. I think we have been very close since young.
Yeah, she always bully me.
No.
Yeah,
and I think the most important thing is the value that instilled by our parents. They keep on encourage us, even though we are like about 40s nowadays. So I think the family support is very important.
So yeah, so besides work, we are still very, very close. We give thanks to our parents, honestly. They have this very strong family value in us. Nothing comes in between. I've been with corporates for 18 years. I know exactly what kind of environments that an employee look forward to coming to work each day. So we cultivate this family from work. What does family culture means? It means no one gets left behind. We don't call each other colleagues, we call each other family from work. That's because we spend most of our time in the day with our family from work. So the more we should be treating our colleagues at workplace like a family, whether it's a personal issue, matters that they are facing, or family issues, or work-related issues, they can come to us and talk to us, and we'll be there to support them.
I think the proudest moment is it will be always the transformation of my patient and patient trust on me and the group, and of course seeing my baby growing more and more branches is coming up. I think this is what I feel that I'm very proud that I could achieve so far.
To me, my proudest moment managing E-Clinic groups, honestly, it's seeing how my girls, my team grow. Example, majority of them couldn't even converse properly in proper English. So we hired an English teacher to come over to our clinics to teach them English once a week. And now they could confidently converse an entire conversation in English.
I think the whole business is not just benefiting ourselves. It's actually to our girls, our own family members in the work.
Yes, that's right.
To see them grow is really happy. We have been planning a series of celebrations to thank our team and also our customers for supporting us for these 7 years.
So this 7th anniversary, it's all about expressing our gratitude towards our clients who have been with us 7 years or they came in between, and as well as our team. So we have team members that have been with us since day one, which we are very grateful for their unwavering support.
So everyone, please stay tuned for more celebrations in coming August. We wish eClinic
Happy 7th anniversary!